with me I have Crompton Brisk Air Plus exhaust fan. As you can see, Brisk Air Plus. This is 8 inches exhaust, as you can see. So this is the side. Brisk Air Plus, the manufactured in the Solan, behind Coca-Cola factory. MRP is 1730 rupees, but in the shop you'll get it for cheaper. This is a 5/2021 fan, as you can see. So now let's unbox it. So guys, this is the fan here, as you can see. Let me remove the packaging. So as you can see, these are the blades. These are the lowers backside, as you can see, which is very good for a plastic fan. And you can see the label here. And here you can see it's a 2-core wire. I think older Brisk Airs had a 3-core wire with earthing, I guess cost cutting. So now let's remove the blade. Installation is easy. So you remove this front cover first, then you place this on the whatever mounting, mark these screws and screw them in, and you're good to go. So as this is an 18-inch exhaust, it will easily fit in a 9-inch slot, no big deal. So let me show you the fan after installation. So guys, as you can see, the fan is finally installed. Here you can see both the screws are tightened. The wire was here. I unscrewed it and passed it through this hole, so it will be easier to reach to the ceiling rose. So let's connect it.